Google is at it again as the company recently and quietly introduced a change to how it hovers up our data to train its AI platforms. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. According to a report, Google can now scoop up media you upload to its various search tools for training purposes. This includes images, files, and audio and video recordings. It's pretty much everything, but what does this mean exactly? If you upload a photo to Google Lens to search for something visually, the company can take it. The same goes for the audio accompanying any Google Voice search and anything uploaded to Google Translate. This applies to all search-related products, so only the stuff like your personal Google photos are safe for now. The worst part, every user is automatically opted in, as the gaping maw of generative AI needs data to feed on, and it's running out. However, there is a solution for those who don't like random mega corporations getting the most benefit out of their images and videos. You can opt out of this by changing some particular settings. First, head to the dedicated Search Services History page and uncheck the Save Media box. Next, head to the Search Services Personalization page and make sure that it's not saving anything. That should do it. As an aside, you can turn off AI overview results by popping in -AI before a query. Of course, this is modern AI, it doesn't always need permission to get our data, but putting a few more hurdles on its way might protect your stuff a little. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.